One of my favorite quotes is by Beth Connie. Life is a book and you are its author. You determine its plot and pace, and you, only you, turn its pages. Hey, I'm MAPS coach Olivia Roberts, bringing your coaching tip of the week. Now, Spring Mastermind's focused on that life by design, your life, right? It doesn't just happen, it is carefully or carelessly designed by you. You choose happiness, you choose decisiveness, you choose ambivalence, you choose success, you choose. Every moment, every situation provides a new choice. And in doing so, it gives you a perfect opportunity to do things differently to produce your desired results. Now, we talk about being proactive. Well, what does that mean? Well, first, proactive people recognize that they are responsible. Now, not responsible as in fault or blame, responsible as I get to choose how I react. Proactive people don't blame circumstances, conditions, or conditioning for their behavior. They know they choose their behavior. Remember that bold law, reasons or results you choose? That doesn't mean the reasons aren't real. It just means that you choose to overcome those reasons because the results matter more to you. Now, reactive people, on the other hand, they're affected by their physical environment, right? If the weather is good, hey, they feel good. If it isn't, then it affects their attitude and their performance. Think about today's market. Does it have challenges? Sure. Didn't the last market too? So, are you choosing to be responsible, proactive? Do you work with your coach to learn new ways to operate, or do you sit back and talk about the reasons that you don't have your desired results? Because, see, this is the thing, you have a superpower. See, between the stimulus and response, that's your greatest power, proactivity, right? You can master that moment between stimulus and response by mastering these steps from the 7 habits of highly effective people. So, first, you're going to remember you have freedom to choose. So you're going to pause and you're going to measure how important the situation for you on a scale of 1 to 5, right? Then you're going to assess your initial reaction. Was it frustration, anger, fear, right? Then you're going to see this stimulus response model in your mind. You're going to think about a proactive response. And then you're going to decide, am I going to engage or exit? Right? So you're going to use the response you've chosen and engage, or you're going to exit the situation. And then you're going to review your performance to see how proactive you are. Now, do this, focus on this for this just 1 week. Make a conscious effort to use your pause button in that moment of choice and work toward proactive responses. At the end of this week, ask yourself some questions. What were the outcomes to my conscious proactive responses? What could have been the outcomes had I chosen reactive responses? In what ways have my proactive responses improved my life? Now, this takes time and practice. So give yourself grace and know that by remembering you are the author of your story, your life by design. All right, that's my time. Make it a powerful week.